The Institute of Regional Studies hosted a landmark conference titled Peace and Prosperity in Turbulent Times, focusing on climate change and resilience. The event brought together leading experts, policymakers and thought leaders to discuss the urgent need for climate action and resilience building in a world increasingly affected by environmental disruptions. More in this report by our correspondent Anam Shahzad.
Institute of Regional Studies in Islamabad explored how climate change has become a major threat, displacing population and destabilizing regions. The discussions emphasizing the critical link between environmental issues and peace-building efforts with a focus on collaborative strategies to foster sustainable prosperity during times of turbulence. Addressing the conference, Ambassador Johar Salim, President of Institute of Regional Studies, underscored the interconnectedness of climate change, peace and regional security. He said Pakistan is rated among the top 10 most affected countries to climate change.
Climate change is going to be one of the biggest challenges for humanity in the coming decades. Our region in particular is very, very vulnerable. South Asia and Pakistan is one of the most vulnerable countries in the world, as you know, although we didn't really have a big share of emissions, but we face the consequences. And that is why for Pakistan it's very, very important to work in this area, to build the resilience, to, like in terms of mitigation, adaptation, and sort of, but for that you need climate financing, you need the resources. So it's very good that there's more debate and discussion on this subject.
The conference also featured a series of thought-provoking panel discussions, bringing attention to how climate change exacerbates existing vulnerabilities in various regions, especially in Pakistan.
Climate change is going to be an existential threat to South Asia for the next coming decades, and we want to have conversations where we can pool in regional resources towards shared prosperity.
Audience members were also given the opportunities to engage with panelists, asking questions about how local communities can contribute to climate resilience.
Recently we have seen the Pakistan going through the floods and the other many issues. That issues can be tackled down by the government of Pakistan through the effective participation of public in the climate security, and due to the human security, if we focus on the national security policy, we can manage these issues.
Many attendees expressed concern over the impact of climate change in Pakistan, with some suggesting that stronger international framework were needed to ensure that vulnerable nations are not left behind in the global fight against climate change. Anam Shahzad, PTV World, Islamabad.